Sakto yung video kong gwapo nito. Puss in Boots. Yay! Universal Studios! Yay! Let's go! You know I glow up! Let's go! Cause it's tonight. Dynamite! Whoa! Thank you so much! You know that I love chicken nuggets. Elmo? Tama ba? We save the Transformers. The Sci-Fi City. Kit nung daddy na yun.
I think you're cute, can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of. And I can't stop it, I'm wishing you and I would stop.
Sakto yung video kong gwapo nito.
And I would talk it. But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say. My social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my best to compromise. Cause oh, I think
ano yan? Puss in Boots. Yay! Universal Studios! Nakabalik! Nice! Konti ng tao. Parang hindi pa Christmas, no? Yay! Let's go! You know I glow up! Let's go! Cause it's tonight. Makaka-copyright ako na to, pero syempre Dynamite! Whoa! Na 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 na! Oh. Yes! That I love chicken nuggets. Elmo? Tama ba? Daming tao bigla.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen.
Defensive assets should be focused to secure the all-spot. Initiate red alert incursion.
We saved the day, make way. If not for us, we're all dead. Make way. We save the Transformers. The Sci-Fi City. Kit nung daddy na yun. Nice oh. Nice oh.
Lagi yung horror night sa area na to. Sobrang nakakatakot yan ka.
The Lost Bird.
Bukas, kainan ba yan?
I think.
Summer has begun and we are fine. The sound of birds just woke us up. I love the way you smile, you're all I need. The sky I see deep in your eyes. A lonely road, light a fire. I know that we are tired. Wake up in
Sorry, didn't notice you there. At your service, brand new owner of the milk bar, and some help from my friend Gingy. Huh? Gingy? Where did he go? Gingy, found you! Oh, this place is a mess.
What would I do without ya? Feeling so blue without ya. I've been spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to hit my phone. Leave a little time for me, no matter where we might be. I'll keep you company. I'll keep you company. Reminiscing on some better days. Had it good before you went away. Remembering when you were mine. No, we go way back when you were my best friend. But now we're running out of time. What would I do without you?
People's Park. O, diba? Sa sobrang gutom namin, dito kami. Pero mukhang close na. So, bahala na. Makatikim lang ng lokal. Lokal. Kasi gusto ko bang marinig yung yung paano sila magsalita. How much in total?
For cash, almost a dollar. No, the other one is our soup.
Yehey! Pearl milky. Thank you! Wala siyang pakialam sa akin pero nag-thank you ako.